Hello everyone, this is Fai and welcome to my channel. Today I have something different to show you guys. If you're skincare lovers, I'm sure this product will catch your interest. So if you're curious what product I'm gonna talk about, please watch this video until the end. So I'm sure if you love skincare, all about skincare, especially Korean products, I'm sure you know that they really love face masks. This is actually not the newest update or the newest invention in Korean beauty, but it's not common yet as well. So it's face product. Dum-dum! So nowadays they have made masks for other area as well, such as breast and belly area. And Subuni has this breast pack made of 18 main components, which are mostly from natural ingredients. And I'm not gonna describe it one by one because it's gonna take forever. This breast pack has some nice effects. It keeps the skin around the breast moist and it contains collagen, which prevents the breast from sagging. And then it has tightening effect, which also prevents wrinkles around the area. And last, it fights pigmentation process due to sunburn and aging and makes the skin look brighter. Now let's see what's inside the box. The box is big enough in my opinion, and there are 5 packs in one box. If you have dry skin, this breast pack can be really useful. And especially in winter when the weather is really dry, this product can help to moisturize skin around your breast. Actually, I think if you're still a teenager, you don't really need this product. But then if you're in the age of 20-something and you care about anti-aging products, I really encourage you this product because who doesn't want to have beautiful boobies? The pouch looks like a zipper bag, right? But I like it because it ensures the mask is sterile and clean. Although it has phenoxyethanol in it, it's just a small amount, so it's actually really safe. The material is so soft and it's easy to apply. This kind of treatment can save your money a lot than going to the beauty clinic. I have a sensitive skin and I didn't get any side effects after I tried it out, so I can say this is safe for sensitive skin. As you can see, there is so much essence on it and it's dripping. And also the size is actually so big, it's really big. It will fit for any boob size, so don't worry if you have big boobs. And this is how to use it. Take out the mask from the pouch with your clean hands. And then place it onto your breast, place the nipple into the middle hole, and spread the mask evenly following your breast shape. Just relax and you can lie down while waiting for it to get absorbed into the breast. After that, use the remaining essence to massage your breast. This is how I usually massage my breast. Press it gently and push it up. This kind of massage can make your breast shape look better. I've tried it out for 2 nights and I already feel the skin around my boobs is getting smoother. I recommend you to use this breast pack at night around 15 minutes to 20 minutes before sleep. You can just relax, listen to music, watching K-drama or reading books or anything. So if you want to know where you can get this product, you can get it on Amazon or KBEAUTY Singapore and ship in Singapore. And also in Korea, you can purchase it in Nevermore at night. I will just link it down in the description down below so you can check it out. So yeah, I guess that's it for today. I hope this video can be useful for you. If you have any question, just leave a comment in the comment box down below. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Alright, thank you for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!